I'm doing the last recipe for my Yucateco inspired breakfast. And you saw me make my cocktail, coffee, the fruit, and then I did this delicious egg dish. And now I am making pastelitos. But they're going to look like kind of baby empanadas. So you have a sheet of puff pastry, your cream cheese, guava paste. So I wanted to show this to you. So this is the guava paste I used, like pasta de guayaba. And you can find it at any sort of Latin American market, or honestly, the internet exists. All right, well, let's get started. So I have my oven heating to 350, and I have my pastry out. So I'm going to put my deck flour down, and then I'm just gonna roll it out. I rolled the dough about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now I'm going to cut them out into about 4 inches round circles and fold them over. So I'm using just a jar. So what you can do too is take all this leftover dough, mush it together and roll it out again. You just tend to get less of a rise on those pieces of dough. So now I'm going to stuff my little empanadas. So I have some cream cheese here, and honestly, you're just gonna kind of eyeball it. It's about like a tablespoon of each, maybe a little under, maybe like 2 teaspoons. So I just kind of put them together like this into a little mound. These look super cute. So now I'm gonna start folding them and putting them together. So I have an egg wash here, and this is my glue. So I'm using an egg wash and going just along the edges like this. So I'm just gonna press it together like that. And then I'm rolling up the sides. I'm gonna put my fork in a little bit of flour, and you press it down just to do that. Now, I'm sure there's a way to make it prettier. And I have to be honest, I actually am not the most skilled at that. So. So next I'm just gonna prick the tops, just so that the steam has somewhere to escape from the melting cheese. And then an egg wash on top to make them beautiful and golden brown. And if at any point the pastry feels kind of warm to the touch, or it's not a little chilled, pop these back in the fridge. If you put warm pastry in the oven, all of the butter is gonna leach out of it, and it's gonna be very sad. Beautiful. All right, so these are gonna go in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. My oven runs really hot, so these were done in like 25, but I feel like in a normal oven, it'd be 30 to 40 minutes. But basically, you're just looking for them to be crispy and beautiful. How cute do these look? They're cooled out of the oven and flaky. Okay, so the final touch is a little bit of powdered sugar. That's kind of like a beignet level of powdered sugar, where if you sneezed, it would like create a cloud, but it's breakfast in bed. What do you want from me? All right, I'm gonna stack these up, and then I cannot wait to enjoy these. Oh my gosh, with the coffee, the Café de Olla, yes please. Oh, these look so good. Cute. All right, well there's a few left over, so I have to give it a try. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. Yes, please. Here you can see the guava in there, the flakes. It's such a special flavor combination. And it's not too sweet, right? Like the guava has a little bit of acid to it, a little bit of sweetness. Oh my gosh, they look so good. All right, so I'm just gonna put together my breakfast in bed tray and enjoy these. Oh, they look so cute. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're encouraged to make these. How easy was that, right? It was like 3 things and then an egg wash, and in the oven they go. So please be encouraged. They are easy to make. Like the video if you like it, comment below. I love hearing from you. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. This concludes my Mexican breakfast in bed series. This is gonna be so delicious. All right, bye or adios.